He called the housing crash. He called the collapse of Bear Stearns and Lehman Brothers. He's been harping on the crisis in the Eurozone banking system for years now, so he's just the guy to talk to.
Ooh, it's Reggie Middleton.
Greetings, Reggie Middleton here. Today I'm going to discuss focus, the ability to see things, often things that the crowd doesn't see. I realized with the wacky U.S. elections, with global macro going topsy-turvy, negative interest rates, etc., I always still had a very, very firm grasp on the fundamentals, on the facts. I was always able to see these things ever since I was a child. As a matter of fact, a lot of people have come up to me and say, Reggie, you have a real gift for valuation, for picking investments, for seeing trends and streaks. And I never really thought so, honestly. You know, this is not me being humble. If anything, it's possibly me being ignorant in my abilities. Because a lot of these things seem obvious. And maybe they were obvious to me, but apparently they're not obvious to others. And then watching debates and things going on in this very crazy world, I came to a very, very interesting, simple yet powerful realization. I have focus. For instance, a lot of times you have constituencies and of course self-interested parties who are looking to have a certain action or result take place. And to bring this about, they purposely divert focus. Look at my hand. Now, you see, everybody's probably paying attention to my picture, to my finger, but the subject of this video has remained the same. This diversion of focus is going on right now with the research, the publication, the mediaification of blockchain technology. You see, Bitcoin came on the scene, became popular, it was different. The media diverted focus from the technology and, more importantly, the economic paradigm that is the Bitcoin blockchain system to things such as, you know, illegal child porn, drug dealing, dark markets, Silk Road, etc. We've gotten past that. Institutions have found that the technology behind Bitcoin, the blockchain, was a significant breakthrough. You know, a lot of people, including myself, have heralded it as the next, the coming of the next internet. But again, focus has been diverted. We're losing focus. Now we have a lot of entities whose actual business models rely on server-centric, fully heteronymous systems, where heteronomy is the need for a central or authoritative party in order to do business or transact. Bitcoin as a platform and the blockchain in general is a peer-to-peer technology. It brings about full autonomy. Now, if you attempt to take an autonomous system that enables peer-to-peer transactions and you force it into a server-centric hub and spoke heteronymous network, you should fail. But it's quite possible that you wouldn't fail if you go about it the right way. Best way to go about it is to get everybody to lose focus. Veritasium is here to get everybody to regain focus. So you take your eyes off of the target that is being put in front of you. You take your eyes off of the server-centric, the gatekeepers that have always been taking your money. In the beginning, they took your money simply because you benefited from it, because you could not do the things that they offered. With blockchain technology, their offerings now are moot because they could be done programmatically through software, through economic networks. So I'm looking to get everybody to regain focus from the diversion back to the reality. The reality is peer-to-peer transactions, the peer-to-peer economy. No longer do you need these middlemen, whether they be banks, exchanges, agents, brokers, etc. If the information is available and the parties can contact each other. This is all possible through Veritasium's value exchange platform. Now, I'm making a call out to investors, to accredited investors. We need capital. As I've said in previous videos, we believe we are the first to file for the capital markets application of blockchain technology to the USPTO and many other worldwide intellectual property agencies. So we want to finalize these. We filed early on, not in early 2016, not in early 2015, not in late 2014, not even mid 2014. But, we were, very early, very comprehensive application. I'm very excited about it. I'm also excited about the fact that we have gained focus, okay? We've kept our eyes on the prize while most technology vendors and the banking system and practically everybody interested in blockchain technology are pursuing bolstering the back end of banks and exchanges and brokers and taking antiquated IT systems and bringing into the present, which entails for some or many blockchain technology. We're saying the systems themselves, the actual, not only is the IT architecture antiquated, but the entire business model that this IT architecture is supposed to support is antiquated, it's obsolete. No more hub and spoke, no more server-centric, peer-to-peer. Paul deals directly with Peter. So all accredited investors who are interested, please contact me. You can reach us at info, I-N-F-O, @veritasium.com. I'm willing to speak to you directly. Reggie, R-E-G-G-I-E, @veritasium.com. You can also reach me at Twitter, @ReggieMiddleton, and Facebook, okay? Accredited investors come in. We have our deadline, hard deadline coming up very quickly. We're looking to complete these patent filings around the world. I can give you a significant amount of evidence of the research that we've done. We've scoured over 250 patent applications from 2008 up until December 2015. Remember, blockchain technology as implemented by Satoshi Nakamoto was only invented in 2009. So we went a year earlier just to make sure. And there's a lot of other, issues, prior art, etc. We're very confident in this. If it can be patented, we believe we've beaten all the big boys, including Silicon Valley, Wall Street, etc. In addition, okay, we have our HTML implementation of assets, where you can actually have assets, not in a centralized digital wallet, which we also call a bank, but server side, in the web page, on your phone, tablet, computer, completely encrypted. Very interesting asset, where you take money out of the bank and make yourself the bank with the same amount of security. And we have our ongoing value trading prototype, which is a Veritasium trading system. The prototype allows you to take any of 45,000 tickers, simply type them in, create a smart contract, and exchange value directly with somebody else, without a broker, without an exchange, without an agent, without a middleman. Assets are held 100% all the time, either on your client or locked in smart contract on the blockchain. It's phenomenal stuff. We were the first one to have it out. The first trade cleared December 2013, way back. Smart contracts, blockchain technology, the peer-to-peer economy. We were the first. Now we need to deal with the fact that we were undercapitalized. So again, the call out to accredited investors, come talk to me, okay? Just the finishing the global application of these patents with a very early priority date puts us in the catbird seat relative to many others. There's a possibility this technology may or may not be patentable. We believe if it is, Veritasium is the way to go. Okay, I don't want to ride completely on the patent or the patent applications. There's several of them, because we're also very, 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 very excited about our implementation. Everybody's chasing banks in the sell side. We are empowering the buy side. We are also soliciting hedge funds who actually want to trade value peer-to-peer. And we've created a deal with other entities, and we've done the financial engineering and in the process of doing the software engineering. So we are now able to dollarize everything. So you no longer have to use, if you do not want to, Bitcoin as a value token. You can actually use the US dollar. So now trades can be done in dollars, okay? With almost all the attributes of doing it through the Bitcoin blockchain using Bitcoin. Phenomenal stuff, okay? Come see me. Peace.